Hi, I'm Leilani, but I want to make a pizza for you and for me. And now we have to start it. Well, let's go. Okay, first we can open the dough. We can open the dough. We open the dough right now, but we want to care. Oops. Again. Oh, and transformation was a new. Okay. Oh, sorry there. And now for ketchup. Ketchup. Okay, now for the cheese. Okay, now for pepperoni. Okay, no more. So now put it in the oven. There we go. Your pizza's done. Hey, I'm back. So it's pizza's ready, but it's too hot. We can touch it. We 5 minutes. We wanna cut it for you. And now it's going to do the pizza. Done. Bye.